Welcome back to It's Not Magic, It's Science here at Cedar Point outside of Ocean Motion. In our first two videos we showed you the bowling ball experiment, and then we explained the science behind the magic with potential, kinetic energy, as well as friction and air resistance. So this episode is the exploration episode, where we take what you learned and apply it to real life examples. So today we're going to show you how that applies to Ocean Motion here at Cedar Point. So in this case, this swinging ship is a little bit too heavy for me to lift up and provide the potential energy. So what's happening is we have a motor that is spinning some tires that is giving us the energy that we need to get up high, building up more and more energy with each swing. And then allowing that potential energy to convert into kinetic energy on the way down. Now that I'm way up here, I have a lot of potential energy that then converts down into kinetic energy on the way down. And that's how physics is making a lot of fun. And now how do I get back down? So this time, instead of using just air resistance, we're creating some additional friction using the tires again. And that's what allows us to slow down at a much quicker pace than we would have been able to with just air resistance and friction. And remember to come back for some more. It's not magic, it's science.